Hey yo, what up, yo? I got some chipotle, and I'm gonna watch Netflix, and I'm gonna talk about DVD blank CDs. I'm gonna talk about that on camera, and move on. Move on to the next one. I'm just having fun with the videos never done, and I know that I'm number one. Woo! All right, so I'm gonna start Netflix right now and talk about some stuff. What's some other movies I could watch? This is coming soon. Because You Watch Life. Alright, let's see. Yo, got 8 Mile. Netflix got 8 Mile. Oh. Field of Dreams. Alright, I'm gonna watch that. Field of Dreams. I ain't seen that in a long time. Play from Beginning. Oh, let me turn that up. Universal and MCA Company, a Gordon Company production, a Phil Allen Robinson film, Kevin Costner, Field of Dream. Yeah, that's my movie. Alright, let's go. I got me some chipotle that I want to eat, and I want to talk about some DVDRs and drink my water. Sit back, you know. Let me scoot down. Alright, DVDR. That's what it looks like. For y'all that don't know.
My father's name was John.
Right?
It's an Irish name.
Okay.
He was born in North Dakota.
I know that you could put like
Big city until he came back from France in
a
1980.
photo with audio, MP4 files on it, and watch it on your portable DVD player or DVD player, right? And I try to put music on it, my own music on it, it doesn't work. Like FreeMake, it keeps Xing it out. So every time I try to put beats on this every time I try to put beats on the DVD-R, when I use FreeMake to burn CDs, and then I put my beats on the DVD-R, and it be like it exits out all the time. And then I gotta restart my computer because my CD burner won't open. And when I do restart my computer, my CD burner opens. It opens it up. So yeah.
I marched, I smoked some grass, I tried to like sitar music, and I met Annie. The only thing we had in common was that she came from Iowa, and I had once heard of Iowa. After graduation, we moved
But that's what I wanted to talk about. Show y'all on camera.
full afternoon. Annie and I got married in June of '74. Dad died that fall. A few years later, Karen was born. She smelled weird, but we loved her anyway.
So let me shut up, be quiet, and watch Netflix.
36 years old, I love my family, I love baseball.
And watch this movie real quick. I might fall asleep on camera and take a little nap.
I've never done a crazy thing in my whole life.
And it's got rice, corn, onions, tomatoes, lettuce, and I'm gonna say it again, white rice. And it got sour cream, chicken, it got beans in it. You know what I'm saying? Chipotle hooked they boy up. They hooked me up.
Hey, Annie! Annie, what was that?
What was that?
That voice just now, what was it? sometimes farmers out in the field, they hear things, voices.
You're hearing voices?
Oh, no, it's just that I heard that some farmers do, and I, of course, don't, so I was wondering if I was doing something wrong or something. Did you ever hear voices?
Ray is. Not in the field.
No, I'm not. That darn tractor.
Oh my god. That drink was spicy, yo. It's getting to me. Woo! Oh my god. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't. I tried to hold it in, yo. That chipotle was spicy, yo. Started coughing on camera.
All right, that's it. Huh? Who are you, huh? What do you want from me?
Oh my god, my nose is running now.
Took acid.
That aftertaste, you know what I'm saying? Like, dang, yo, it's all spicy. It's all spicy in my mouth. Oh my god.
I think it means that if I go to a baseball field out there that shoeless Joe Jackson will get to come back and play ball again.
You're kidding. You're kidding.
Verbatim. Verbatim. 4.7 GB 16 times. And then 120 minutes. Life service. DVD. V. Not a peace sign. A V sign. Yeah.